Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy chicken pilau. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. In a medium pot, I'm going to add 1 kg of clean chicken. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to squeeze 1 lime and mix everything well, then cover to let the chicken to cook until it's nicely cooked. After approximately 15 minutes, open the lid and check if the chicken is nicely cooked, and if yes, remove the chicken out from the fire and place it aside. Then afterwards, you're going to take a large pot and place it on a medium heat. Then you're going to pour a 1/4 cup of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add 2 slices of onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then afterwards, you're going to add 1 slice of carrot and different types of bell pepper and mix everything well and let it cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then afterwards, we're going to add the spices. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of Garamasala, 1 tablespoon of Pilau spices, 1 teaspoon of Currypowder optional if you don't have, some salt to taste. Then lastly, I'm going to add 1 cube of Magi, or you can use jumbo optional, and mix everything well and nice. In terms of spices, I've used my homemade Swahili spices. I'm going to put my telephone number and the Instagram account so you can able to check out these amazing 16 Swahili spices. Then I'm going to add 3 sliced cube potatoes and give a quick mix and let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 sliced tomato with the cooked chicken and I'm going to mix everything well and nice, and I'm going to let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to pour 2.5 cups of water and mix everything well and nice, then cover to let it cook until the water starts to boil. Once the water starts to boil, lastly, you're going to add 1.5 cup of Basmati rice, or you can use any rice that you prefer, and mix everything well and nice, then cover to let the pilau to cook until the water is completely dry and the pilau is nicely cooked. Once the water starts to dry, open the lid and mix the pilau once more and slowly to avoid from mashing the pilau, and cover once more to let the pilau to be completely dry and the rice to be nicely cooked. At this point, make sure the fire is so low to avoid the pilau from sticking at the bottom, and after approximately 10 minutes, your pilau should be ready, and mix it once more and serve your pilau on a plate. And my tasty chicken pilau is ready. As you can see in the video, it's nicely cooked. Serve your pilau with some salad and some chili and enjoy your chicken pilau. For those interested to purchase these 16 homemade Swahili spices, I'll put my contact and my Instagram account in the description box so you can able to purchase these amazing 16 homemade Swahili spices. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment some below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.